Hi guys, I'm back again on a video. I saw a post from Commander Royce saying that he banned COS from entering Biafra, and it is very interesting, very interesting. And a few weeks ago, I think the same person also banned Uche Chikan, that's Mazmanakan's wife, from entering Biafra. I believe that he's one. I'm not sure. Maybe I stand to be corrected on this one, but banning COS from entering Biafra for what? I just want to ask a question for what? I mean, everybody must not must not believe what you believe on. I don't know why it's so difficult for people to understand this. People must not support everything you support. It's not a must. No matter how small your platform, your personality is, or no matter how big you are, you will have people who will hate you. Some will love you. I mean, you don't need to you don't need to have everybody on your side. Even PM understand that very well. That is why I said when if you don't criticize me, I will start suspecting myself. But if I receive some criticism from some people, it motivates me to know that yes, people have their own right to say what they say, but not in abusive way. You understand? And if CUS, because I saw CUS post which Royce has actually shared, where she said that anything that he don't represent Biafrans, and anything that his handle is not for Biafran government in exile, which is to me is the truth, because that's personal handle of Commander Royce. That does not mean that you have to undermine the work of men on ground. I mean, their work is very okay. I mean, you have to respect somebody who devotes his time to represent. It's not easy, and that's why I said COS need to work with them and see how far they can go. But they themselves need to also understand that everything must not be the way you want it. If you actually want this thing to work, to stabilize things, everybody needs to sacrifice one or two things. This threatening going on is uncalled for. Even me, I received on my comment section, somebody said that they're going to remove his father, not me. I don't know what you mean by that, but like I said, as you are nursing that already, it's gonna come to you straight ahead. As long as I have nothing to, I don't oppose any threat to anybody. I'm not opposing any threat to anybody. Anybody that says that this guy is putting their life in danger, you are saying it out of ignorance, because I have not threatened anybody. I'm not even intent to. Do you understand? What I'm saying here does not mean that you must go and do it. This is my own opinion. That's why sometimes I put reaction. It's not about, I did not say decree or declare. I did not say I command you, I rebuke you. Do you understand? There's two different things. So reaction is somebody, my opinion, what I feel. And I have not blocked anybody on my comment section before. I can only time you out if I'm live, because you are spamming the chat. But as long as you are saying what you feel, I cannot, if I have time, I reply, I respond to you, or maybe I come live, like I come on a video like this and mention what you said and in my opinion. Back to what Raul said about banning COS. I don't know what is going on behind the scene. I can only react on what is in the public. Maybe they started exchanging word and all that, and it is not a custom for everybody to come out and attack or share personal grievances the person have to one another, to the public on social media. Why is it now? Why are we not witnessing those things before? When I said that some of these things are spiritually motivated, some of you don't understand it. Because how can people who have been living in peace, all of a sudden everywhere is on fire? And only minor comment that you make to stabilize things, another person will jump on you. How dare you to say that, why must you support A, why not B? So you are actually one of the, so you are just like bad as A, not as bad as B. Do you understand what I'm saying? When people are supposed to calm down and digest things that are going on and be able to see, how they can suggest or how to move things going, Instead of doing that, they start thinking otherwise. They think that they are the one that can tell you what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and what you must obey, and all that. That is not how it works. People need to understand those things, because to me, I think it is immaterial. Fighting COS and fighting men on ground, allowing themselves to be used as a willing tools. Because I watched some video of Commander Holy Ghost as well, which I'm gonna release that video maybe before this video or after this video. So he said something. Let me not go there so you watch the video. Some of you have watched the video already, but I'm gonna share it as well to prove that I'm not siding anybody. Because some people say, "Oh, you are siding COS. You are with COS because I'm saying the truth." So automatically now I'm a COS agent, isn't it? But if I when I said that COS should step down for peace to reign, not because she's at fault, not because she cannot resist, but for peace to reign. Some of you that are calling me CS agent, then I was whose agent for saying that? You see, you cannot be honest for once. Say it the way it is, no matter what people feel. That is what makes you a man. I'm not here to shiver or waver. I'm here to set the record straight. Not to impose anything on you. My suggestion. It led for you to believe it or to accept it. It is your choice, not mine. So people, I don't want to make it very 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 long. I just want to say that banning COS is condemnable. You don't need to use that, even if you have problem with her, because that is the kind of thing that your enemy want to hear from you. So if you are fighting enemy, whether if you are fighting enemy in enemies, you are doing that, you should not allow them to see what they want to see from you. And as men on ground, you should know better than COS, because you are security personnel. You should have more idea on what enemy want more than anybody. So much is expected from you. Much is expected from you. Somebody said on my comment again that he noticed that I condemn Sona Barawa. That I sound like I have personal problem with Sona Barawa. I don't have any personal problem with Sona Barawa. That I refuse to condemn COS on what COS is saying. But he forgot that Sona Barawa is a man. Much is expected from you. Much is expected from Sonny than COS. As a man, a family man for that matter, I believe he's a family man. At his age, of course, he should be a family man. Much is expected from you. COS is a woman. Whether you like it or not, no matter how intelligent she is, she's still a woman. That does not mean a woman cannot offer something. But when you are doing something with a woman, even though you are right, sometimes it touch a picture, you understand? It just face some things. It might not be the may insist not guide those. If you choose to do that, that's on you. I'm just telling you, because because today I am saying that things should be this way, that this is what I feel, does not mean that I am a partaker of what you don't like. If you are getting it tomorrow, I will still come here and say that, look, these guys are getting it. I love what they're doing now. This is what I expect from them. Let kudos to them. That kind of thing. That's what I want to say. So, my people, thank you so much for your time. I just want you to understand that fighting on social media, the way you guys are, everything, even if you have problem with anybody, don't always think that coming out of social media and say it is best way to go. Let us calm down in some things. You don't this fight that you got, if you insult somebody today, the way you put your work, the way you organize yourselves, and it may not be that offensive. It will not be offensive to the people, but there are some ways you put that with the same word, it will become offensive. And some of these things you are doing on social media, people are keeping the recording and screenshotting, keeping it for you, which is not good, because that's why you need to be careful with what you are saying and what you are doing. That is what I'm just saying it, because even the Gaddafi post against PM people saved it. Now they are bringing it out for him to remember what he said against PM, how he that respect that he have, the love he have for Biafra, that some of them are claiming that he do. The evidence of the love is everywhere now. So we need to be careful. Okay, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Tell me what you think about what you are discussing and what Roy said banning COS from entering Biafra. I forgot my car funny, but I believe they will all come back together and reason for once. They used to reason together. All of a sudden, something happened somewhere. I don't know if in their mind or in their brain, but let's see. Everything needs to come back together the way it was. Forget about who you are, how giant you are, all this. Some are and tagging people criminal. Oh, this person is a criminal. He's a criminal. You don't have any evidence. Zero. You just feel that he or she will sabotage. He or she is a criminal. Only feeling only. Before I go, thank God that I remember this now. Somebody told me that said that not one person, not two, not three. There are many on my comment section saying that okay, that they want me to explain to them why COS have right to dissolve cabinet. If she dissolved cabinet, that her post also dissolved. Then you forgot that some cabinet member, all right, are appointed, some are elected. COS is somebody appoint her, then people supported. That you did not support does not mean that people did not support. That you were not when people support does not mean that people did not support. So I don't think that she just wake up on her own and dissolve the cabinet. Without people agree to dissolve the cabinet. And I will tell you why. I also received some message saying that cabinet members, even before PM, before they called him for interrogation, they have already set up a cabinet for government, new cabinet, like government transition government. They have already set up a cabinet. I'm not sure. This is what somebody told me. I don't know if it's true or not. But you that are insider, you can correct me on social comment section or validate this. That they have already set up a cabinet for that already. But they don't want to talk about the cabinet so if you're a member of the cabinet, the question should be, is it true that you guys set up cabinet for new government, for transition government? There are some people that have been selected cabinet. They have to make sure they work on it and plan about it. Who is gonna take this position? Who is gonna, because somebody must come out or pick somebody, then people will now vote. Do you understand? So COS said that they called for meetings several times and some of you don't attend that meeting. So how sure are you that when you refuse to appear in the meetings is when the people elect those people in the cabinet? I'm just saying. So don't paint it as if she just wake up and say, hello guys, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Today I'm gonna dissolve the cabinet. No. You guys have agreed